Hey folks, another very warm day across the valley with temperatures today in the 90s earlier, back in the 80s now. 84 Brownsville, 83 Port Isabel, then into the upper 80s as you move west. Still 92 in Rio Grande City. Our front city to the north of us, it's 60 in San Antonio. They spent part of the day in the 50s, as did Del Rio. It's 60 there right now. We're south of the front, temperatures in the 80s, and right along the front with clouds and some showers. You're looking at low to mid 70s. But look to the north. Dallas is only 46. Lubbock is 35. It's messy when you get up in the Panhandle, and it's cold when you get up into the Panhandle. Showers and thunderstorms are firing up along the front in east and southeast Texas. The front still stalled right there. It's going to kind of hang out to the north of us all night tonight and much of the day tomorrow. So that means we start the day even into the morning hours. We're very warm while it's chilly in San Antonio, chilly in Del Rio, cold in the Panhandle. Some snow begins to show up there. As the day goes on, the front just kind of inches closer. And finally, by overnight tomorrow night, the front runs through here. Chilly weather builds in. Showers, maybe a thunderstorm with the front itself tomorrow evening. Then the front goes on through and the chilly air builds in. Could be some showers lingering into the morning hours on Thursday. Some of that just light rain and drizzle that we tend to see after a strong cold front. Even through midday on Thursday, still some clouds. The rain begins to move away. And by Thursday night, I think the clouds thin out just a little bit. Ends up being just a chilly and breezy evening. And then Friday, there's 11 a.m. Still chilly, still some leftover clouds, but for the most part, we see sunshine. Next one on the map probably won't get here. I think we slowly warm up then as we go through the weekend. These are tomorrow's highs across the valley. 84 at the beach and then 89 to 98 across the rest of the valley with the southeast wind most of the day. But let's go forward to Thursday now. Very different, a drop of almost 40 degrees, and when you add in what it feels like with the strong wind, it's going to feel at least 50 degrees colder Thursday than what it's going to feel tomorrow. North winds at 12 to 20. What this means is bundle the kids up as you're taking them out trick-or-treating, because it's going to be a chilly, chilly evening on Thursday at trick-or-treat time. Normal highs 84. We're going to be 92 tomorrow, then only 57 on Thursday, and by evening we'll be back in the 40s again. Bounce back to 69 on Friday and then back in the 70s eventually, but probably not until Sunday or so. Here's what we're looking at rainfall-wise. Future Track tries to print out a little moisture overnight. We don't see a whole lot. I think it's a mainly dry night. Most of tomorrow is dry as well. Maybe an isolated shower, but not much. But then tomorrow night, here comes the front. This model, and this is one of the more aggressive models, a couple of them are like this. Say by 8 o'clock, the front's knocking on the door, comes through the valley by about 10 or 11 o'clock, triggering showers and maybe even a few heavy thunderstorms with it, and then the light rain breaks out behind it and lingers into the overnight hours. This is after midnight and probably all the way into early Thursday before the rain goes away and we're back into clouds for a time and eventually some sunshine. So your rain chances, slight chance tomorrow during the daytime, but it ramps up to 70% tomorrow night when the front moves in and behind the front. And then early in the morning on Thursday, still a little bit of rain around, and then it goes away after that. And I think we're dry for Friday and for the weekend. Travel plans. Take a look at this. San Antonio in the morning's 57, 25 at Amarillo with snow. We're at 76. Tomorrow afternoon, even Brownsville goes to 90, while San Antonio is raining at 58, 47 in Dallas, 30 at Amarillo. Then comes the front. By Thursday, 1 o'clock in the morning, 63 here, 43 San Antonio, 35 in Dallas. By 7 o'clock in the morning, we're in the 40s now on Thursday with rain around the area. We only bounce back to the 50s. Rest of the state sees sunshine Thursday afternoon. Still, though, only warming them into the 40s and 50s. Pretty cold air mass. So for tonight, a pretty warm air mass. Partly cloudy, some patchy fog, about 75 tomorrow, up to 92. Western half of the valley, probably considerably warmer than that. Late in the day, the chance for a shower thunderstorm. We're talking in the evening with the front. So your first 1-5 accurate with the forecast for the next 7 days. We go from 92 with high humidity. You'll feel like it's close to 100 to 49 on Thursday morning. Strong north winds. It'll feel like it's in the upper 30s. Big change over 12 hours. Back to 57 in the afternoon, 69 Friday, 68 Saturday. Set your clock back this weekend, 74 by Sunday. That's your updated first 1-5 accurate with the forecast.